what I've done is I've zeroed it right here. So it's zeroed there. And I did an offset, 9.1. This one's a little bit taller than that, so it's going to be cutting a little bit deeper. But it should be all right. We'll see. I redesigned the program so it would do both of them at once instead of just one. And to compensate for any differences between the blocks, I made it come out to 6 inches instead of 5. So it will carve out in space there for a little bit. It'll miss all the screws, and when it's done, it'll set over there someplace so it's out of the way. So it's easier to load and unload. So let's see how it turns out. Because I made it oversized, you can see it's cutting out in space now. So it should come all the way out to about a ½ inch beyond this, which is fine, because technically I've got time now to go do something else. It adds about 20 seconds, maybe 40 seconds to this program and this program, but it doesn't matter that much because before I was hurrying back to replace each one. Now I can replace both of them, let it run for about 8 minutes, and they're both done. So it wastes the machine time, but it saves some people time. If you notice, it didn't start exactly in the center, but if I've compensated enough, it won't matter that much. Okay, you can see that it's cleaned off both of them. Yeah, it went wide, wasted some motion, wasted some time, but I don't have to babysit it as often. And you could stack these up if you wanted to, but you saw how much off I was on each one. But again, that doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be exact. And it took off more on this one than it did on this one because this was taller, but it still turned out fine. They're both parallel slabs, and now I can do other stuff with them. So that gives you some idea how to save time on your CNC. At least time for you. I'll speed the process up for you. This is like 2,000 inches per minute. It's 20 times faster than it cuts. It's cutting at 100 inches per minute. You see it's got the first one and it's going on the outside of it. You see that's off center a little bit, but it doesn't matter because I'm going outside the diameter. So you can see it's got one side finished and then it finishes the other. So that makes it a lot quicker for me. I'm off doing something else and then I come back when it's done. Rather than change it out, I only have one puck left to do, and I'll just put it in, and you'll see when it's done, it moves over to the right, and then I'm done for the day. So take care, have fun with your CNC. This is a little better program, makes it work a little faster for you. Let it do work on its own while you do something else.